Hi everyone and welcome to another video from Danka Praktik. This video will show you a neat and simple way to use a bigger pillowcase with a smaller pillow. So stay tuned.
Danka Praktik.
Sometimes, like when you have a lot of guests for an overnight stay, you may not have enough pillowcases, or, like in this case, they are a lot bigger than the pillow. Well, there is a quick solution for this problem, and perhaps you won't need to buy new pillowcases. First, what you have to do is insert the pillow sideways into the pillowcase so that it fills half of it. Make sure to tuck in the corners so the pillow fits all the way. Then close the pillowcase with, in this case, a zipper. Now for the main part and how to make the pillowcase smaller. Fold and tuck in the loose ends of the pillowcase above the pillow. This is much like tucking in a pocket. After that, push your hands in the case and spread the cloth so it sits in properly and it isn't crumpled. And there you have it. You have yourself a nice fitting pillowcase, and it isn't even noticeable that it's a lot bigger. Also, it holds pretty good when someone sleeps on it, and the case doesn't slide off the pillow. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.